What's up, guys? Today I'll be unboxing and installing one of these whole house water filters. I bought it on Amazon, and we have a really good water supply here via a well, but sometimes we get some sediments, especially after heavy rains and anytime we have to move the pump or do anything about it. So we're gonna try this out, see if we can stop having brown water hanging out in our tubs and toilets. Well, yeah, check out the installation, see how that goes. So I accidentally got two of these whole house water filtration systems. I'm going to go ahead and do unboxing on these ones. They're packaged very differently. See, one has a strap, the other one looks like it's definitely been opened. So we'll send back the pretty one in hopes that it will last all the way there. Let's see here. Let's see what we got inside. Pulled out. Let's take this whole unit out. There. Okay, so we have fittings up on top here, nice brass fittings. Here comes the unveiling. Actually, it goes from top down. It's a big boy. Put that to the side. Organize this one. Oh, you okay? There it is. All right. So it looks good. They're liquid filled pressure gauges. Goes from 0 to 100 on all of them. We got inlet here. It even says in up on top. Goes across and then into your house from here. So we start with, let's see what the names of these are. We'll rip it off. Alright, so starts with the sediment filter. Then we go to CRK filtration media blend. And then activated coconut shell carbon block after that. You can see everything to filter out. First one takes dirt, rust, sand, silt, turbidity, and other sediments. The CRK takes scale, hard water, iron, hydrogen sulfide, lead, mercury, nickel, chromium, and other dissolved metals. Final filter takes VOCs, pesticides, herbicides, chlorine, bad taste, bad odors, and many other organic chemicals. All of them have a recommended replace date of 4 to 6 months. Something else is hiding in the box here. Not sure what this is, but we will find out. Looks like we had two of them here. Let's take everything out. We got different types of brass fittings. Let's see, they all fit there for different pipes. So it looks like 3/4 inch and 1 inch pipe. And this is yet another type. That would be a threaded instead of a pressure fit. So let's just see what that would be like. There you go. Now what could these be? Don't know. The other goes there. Alright, so you have three different options. Threaded, 3/4 inch, or 1 inch pipe. And then, surprise, surprise those. Let's see if we can find any instructions. So in the bottom of the box, or in the bottom of the bag, that bag, I found the instructions and a filter removal tool. That would be quite handy because they can get on there. We also have some mounting nuts, or mounting screws, bolts, and the installation guide. Alright. Let's see what these are. Removal tools. It has a replacement filter set product number right here. It also has a QR code. I like when you have QR code in paper versions. What I don't understand is when you have QR codes online. Just give me a link. And here's an installation diagram. Alright, water coming from the well goes through the pressure tank. In this case, it looks like there's a bypass, but optional bypass. We'll go through the filter. What are these? Optional well water filter. We don't need that. Softener. We have super soft water. There's advertising some other products they have. And what is this? UV filter to kill off any bacteria. And then to the home from there. So we're just gonna go from here in there. And that will be it. What I'm gonna do is have the water when it comes off here. I'm going to route it to the right, come up the wall, and then mount the filter around here so that it's just above where this water goes outside. And then on the outside of the filter, I come down and then back into the house. Up and down doesn't matter as far as water pressure, as long as it goes back down to the same level. What I'm going to do now is just make a straight edge across, and then hammer drill in, or not hammer drill, but drill the screws in to have them where they're supposed to be. Then take them out again and have help mounting the filter to the wall. I've drawn a straight line across there with level where I'm going to be mounting it. I have a stud here and a stud there. They're probably on 16 or 24 inch center. 16. Yes. However, the filter is not. Filter has 18.5 inches in between, or 47 centimeters. If I was going to do this again, just take the pressure gauge off. Then you can easily use just the impact driver on both of them. There we go. Alright, so I moved the whole thing up. I now have access to the bottom of the filters. And those are in. And now I just have to route the water up, in, back down. We'll call that good. I'm thinking about if I should do that bypass or not. Thinking when would that ever come up? It could be a good idea in case I ever have an issue with the filter, just to be able to throw it by. In which case I have to go back to Home Depot and get a tee so that I can keep this going and tee off, come up here into that, have a shut off right around here somewhere. That way, if that shut off, then water will go this way. I will also tighten down this guy. About 6 inches there. Cut that old pipe. Try to make it as square as possible. This is schedule 40 pipe. There we go. We'll prime it. Prime both sides. You have a primer without color also. Oh, I got some on me. But this one is purple, so that you can easily identify it. There's another one that you have to identify via UV light. Okay, and then we'll prime the pipe itself. We'll glue the pipe, and we'll glue the inside here. Then press together. Let's twist and hold so it doesn't pop back out again. And that should be it. So here, we already got this side primed. Let's grab some primer. Prime inside of here. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Glue it up. Little darling, glue it up. Come on, baby. What should we get? Got a level here. We'll put it, give it a twist, and then level it up. That looks good. Check it out. I'm now a proud owner of fantastic setup. Initially, this gauge right here was reading 0, but that's the only gauge that I'd taken off and put it back on again. And I had just tightened it down a little too much. So now it's nice and loose, and I'm very happy with it. So far, everything's perfect. All right, please like, subscribe, and follow along. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.